Starting Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 4, Exercise 1.1, Counting and Sequences. First question. Hassan shaded in gray these numbers on a 100 square. The numbers from a pattern. Like look, here is 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Our question, what is Hassan's rule for finding the next number? Hassan shaded like 11, 22, 33, 44. That means the rule is added 11 each time. The rule is added 11 each time. Okay, what is the next number in his pattern? So what will be the next number? Here is a 99, and once we add with 11, so what will be the result? 9 plus 1 is a 10, 0 carry 1, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 1 11. So next number will be 110. Question 1 has done. Question 2, the sequence 10, 16, 22 ... continues in the same way. Write the next two numbers in the sequence. So this case, look, here is a 10, next 16, then 22. So what is the difference? 16 minus 10, here is a 6. It means we are adding 6. 10 plus 6 is a 16. Same thing, 16 plus 6 is a 22. So 22 plus 6, here is a 28. Next, 28 plus 6, here will be 34. It means 28 and 34. Number 2 has done. Question 3. The rule for a sequence of numbers is added 3 each time. Here is a pattern 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. The sequence continue in the same way. Circle the numbers that are not in the sequence. Okay, so 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. Then next, what is the difference? We are adding plus 3, right? So 3, 4, 7, 10, 13. So next is a 16. Now 19. Then here is a 22. Next what? 22 plus 3, it will be 25, right? So next 25 plus 3 will be 28. That's why 22 and 28 is okay. Next 28 plus 3, here is a 31. But problem is 31 plus 3 will be 34. This one is not in the right number, so we have to circle this one. Next 34 plus 3 is a 37, and finally 37 plus 3 is a 40. So this one is okay. So the sequence continues in the same way. Okay, we are trying to continue this one. Circle the number that are not in the sequence. So 33 is not in the sequence. So our question 3 has done. Question 4. A sequence has the first time 2020 and the term to term rule is at 11. Write the first 5 terms of the sequence. So how can you make this one? First one is a 22. First term is 2020. Then added 11. So it should be 2031. Right? Again, once we add 11, So 1 plus 1, here is a 2. 3 plus 1, here is a 4. Then 0, 2. Next plus 11. So 2 plus 1, here is a 3. 4 plus 1, here is a 5. Then 2, 0. Next again plus 11. So 3 plus 1, here is a 4. 5 plus 1, here is a 6. Then 2, 0. Number 4 has done. Question 5. Write the next 4 terms in this linear sequence. Here is a 10, 7, and 4. So look, 10 and 7. What does mean? It means 10 minus 7. Here is a 3. It means it's a reduce, it's a decrease, right? The same 7 minus 3, it's a 4. So what next? 4 minus 3, it will be what? It will be, what do you think? 1, right? So here is a 1. Next, 1 minus 3, what will be the result? Look, first we have to write a straight line. Here is a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And here is a 1, 2, and then 3. So look, here is a 1. This is a 1, right? And once we subtract 3, it means we will go left side. 1, 2, 3. It should be minus 2. So here is a minus 2. Again 3. So next one is a minus 5. Because we are subtract 3. Minus 3, right? Minus 3. So minus 3. Same minus 3. So here is a minus 3 means minus 8. Okay? Minus 9, minus 7, minus 5. So what does mean? It means we are adding 2. How? Look, this is our number line scale. Here is a 0. So here is a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, and here is a minus 9, right? So this is a minus 9 and here is a minus 7. So what is the difference? 1 and 2. It's a right side going. So we are adding 2. Same thing. Minus 7 add 2. It's a minus 5. Okay. Add 2 should be minus 3. Here. Minus 2. It means minus 1. And minus 2. 0 and 1. Here should be 1. Right? Very simple. And next. 1 plus 2. It means here is a 3. Very simple. Next one is very interesting. We should carefully handle this one. Here is 1095 and here is a 1060. So 1095 and 1060. So what is the difference? 5 minus 0 is a 5. 9 minus 6. What? It should be 3. So it's reduced by 35. It means minus 35. 195 minus 35 is 160. Minus 35 it's a 125. Then 1025 minus 35. So 5 minus 5, here is a 0. 2, it's become 12. 12 minus 3, these 2 become 12. 12 minus 3, it's a 9. So this 0 we will carry from here is a 1. Right? So 1 means this one is 100. And 100 we have already given 10. So here it should be 90. Right? So here is a 9. So here is a 990. What next? Next, 990 minus 35. So this is 0 become 10. 10 minus 5, it's a 5. 9 become 8 because we already give 10 to this 0. 8 minus 3, it's a 5. and here is a 9. So here is a 955. What next? Minus 35. 955 minus 35. Here is a 0. 5 minus 3 is a 2. And then 9. So 920. And what next? 920 minus 35. So these 0 become 10 because we get from here. Here is a 10 and this one is a 1. 10 minus 5 is a 5. 1 is not possible to subtract 2, 3. So this 9 means 900. So I just give to here 10. So this 1 become what? 11. 11 minus 3, here is a 8. And this 9 become 8. So here is a 8. So the answer is 885. Okay, very simple. So question 5 has done. Question 6. Here is a part of a number sequence. The numbers increase by 25 each time. Like 25, then 50, then 75, then 100, and then 125. Circle all the numbers below that will be in the sequences. This is the very interesting thing. So we have to memorize, or we have to make 25 times table, but it's a really tough. Now look, in between 100, here is a fourth thing we have to see. One is 25, then 50, then 75, and then 100. Now look, each time it can be like 1, 1, 125, it can be 150, it can be 175, and it can be 200. So there is a 355. It means circle all the numbers below that will be in the sequence. So this is not. Here is a 50, so it should be. Here is a 35, so it's not. 90, it means last 20. Look, 20, 20, it should be divisible by 25. So 900 can be draw, and 995 it cannot, because 100 in 100, like 100 to 200, or we can say it's a 101 to 200, it's a fourth time. Similar, 25, 50, 75, and 00 in the ones and tens digit. So you should careful ones and 10 digit should be like 25, 50, 75, and 100. It means 00. Suppose 1, 2, 2, 5. It means this one is divisible by 25. Okay, so number 6 has done. Number 7. Amy makes a number sequence. The first term of her sequence is 1. Her term to term rule is 7. Amy says, if I keep adding 7, I will reach 77. Is Amy correct? Explain your answer. So this is very interesting question, and we have to carefully handle these kinds of math. First of all, starting number is a 1. That means next number, once we add 7, it will be 8. Next number, once we add 7, it will be 7 plus 8, it's a 15. That means the problem is 77. If it's start from 0, look, 7 times 11, it's a 77. Or we can say 77, if we divide by 7, here is a 1, here is a 7, then 7, again 1, it's a 77. Here is no remainder. But problem is 77 and already start from 1. If we subtract 1, it will be 76. That means It's not a whole number. How? Look, 76, once we divided by 7, here is a 1, so 77, here is a 7, and 6 is a remainder. It means 77 is not in the sequence, not a whole number. So how can we write this one? We can write like, to reach 77, to reach 77, that means 77 minus 1 equals to what? Equals to 76. 76 divide 7 equals to, here is a 10, right? 70. So 10 and remainder 6. It's not a whole number. It has remainder. That's why if we start from 1, we cannot reach. We can't reach at 77 by adding what? By adding 7. Okay, very simple. Question 8. Here is a part of a number sequence. The first number is missing. Look, here is a minus 5 and we get 297. That means we will add to get missing number by adding 5. So 297 plus 5. So 7 plus 5 is a 12, 2. Carry 1. 9 plus 1 is a 0, 10. And here 2 plus 1 is a 3. It means 302 is our missing number. Very simple. So question 8 has done. Question 9. A sequence has first term 101 and last term 1041. The term to term rule is add 5, right? Here is a 5. Write down all the terms in the sequence. So we are starting 1001. Next, once we add 5, so 1006, then 11, then 10, here should be 5, it means 16, 1021, 1026. Be careful to add. Once you add 1031, then 1036, and finally 1041. Very simple.